Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create an RGB role in Discord. RGB roles are dynamic roles that continuously change color. They make your server look vibrant and eye-catching. To create one, you usually need a bot that supports color-changing roles. These bots are limited and most of them are premium. The easiest way to create an RGB style role is directly through server settings. Click your server name and open server settings. From the menu, go to roles and click create role. Give the role a name such as RGB. Choose any color you like. For example, I'll choose yellow. Select the color and click Save Changes. Now go back to assign the role. Right-click a user. Click Roles and select the RGB role. As you can see, the RGB role has been successfully assigned. That's it. You've learned how to create an RGB role, set it to your preferred color, and assign it to members. This adds a more dynamic look to your Discord server. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial videos